Here are examples of some of the newest and most exciting medical advancements that could have a huge impact on diabetics. The artificial pancreas is a device that monitors glucose levels and automatically delivers insulin when needed. This can help people with diabetes achieve better glucose control and reduce their risk of complications, such as hypoglycemia. The device consists of a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, an insulin pump, and an algorithm that uses CGM data to adjust insulin delivery. Clinical trials have shown that the artificial pancreas can improve glucose control and reduce the risk of hypoglycemia compared to standard insulin therapy. GLP-1 agonists are a class of drugs that mimic the activity of a hormone called glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, which is naturally produced in the body. GLP-1 helps regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin secretion and reducing glucagon secretion. GLP-1 agonists have several benefits beyond glucose control, including weight loss, cardiovascular benefits, and reduced risk of hypoglycemia. These drugs are available as injections or as a once-weekly injection and are typically used in people with type 2 diabetes who have not achieved adequate glucose control with other treatments. SGLT2 inhibitors are a class of drugs that work by blocking a protein called sodium glucose cotransporter 2, SGLT2, which is responsible for reabsorbing glucose in the kidneys. By blocking this protein, these drugs help reduce blood sugar levels and also have other benefits, such as weight loss and cardiovascular benefits. SGLT2 inhibitors are typically used in people with type 2 diabetes who have not achieved adequate glucose control with other treatments. Stem cell therapy holds promise for regenerating insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas, which are destroyed in type 1 diabetes. Researchers are exploring several approaches to stem cell therapy, including using embryonic stem cells, induced pluripotent stem cells, and adult stem cells. In addition to regenerating beta cells, stem cell therapy may also help treat complications of diabetes, such as diabetic neuropathy. However, much more research is needed before stem cell therapy becomes standard treatment for diabetes. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used in diabetic research in several ways. One application is developing predictive models for diabetes, which can help identify people at risk of developing the disease and enable earlier intervention. AI is also being used to analyze large datasets of patient information to better understand the underlying mechanisms of diabetes and develop new treatments. For example, researchers are using machine learning to identify patterns in glucose data and develop personalized insulin dosing regimens. These medical breakthroughs have the potential to completely alter the lives of all diabetics in the not-distant future. Bring it on! Welcome to the fight! If you found this topic helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the like button to enjoy more videos on the subject of diabetes and how to live with it.